In modern Japan, some people disappear without leaving home. They lock themselves inside for months, years, never speaking, never seen. They're called hikikomori, but some say, if someone dies in that isolation, their spirit never leaves. Trapped between walls, they become something else, a presence, a shadow, a whisper behind the door. You might rent a room that feels heavy, haunted, and never know why. These forgotten souls watch in silence, and the longer you stay, the more you start to feel like hiding too, forever.